What is up, my bodyweight warriors, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm joined by my man Ulrik, who I am hosting in London at the moment, a workshop with covering hand balancing bodyweight skills. That's where we're currently at in Locomotion in London. Today Ulrik is going to be going over a very crucial tip for all of you out there who are working on your handstand. You're kind of stuck between that wall and freestanding stage. So I'm just going to let Ulrik do the talking and show us how it's done, and hopefully this helps you out.
All right, I'm not doing the talking, that's rare, right? Okay, today we're going to use the wall correctly. It's a really common mistake that when you're stuck in between finding balance freely and at the wall, when you're using the wall, people are actually resting on the wall. So we're going to show how to efficiently use the wall to gain balance and understanding of your balance in a handstand. First, we're going to demonstrate the typical normal mistake when going for balance work. Yeah. Now Tom is having way too much weight on the wall, basically. You can test this by see how heavy his legs are towards the wall. I actually need to pull pretty hard to get him out. So this is not very relevant to balance because now his center of gravity is way too much towards the wall. So instead of thinking about pushing in, you need to think about pushing up. And then also bring your body above your hands. So, now bring your center of gravity over your hands and push up, yes. Now you can see his feet is very light at the wall. I can only use one finger and he will be in balance basically. So this is really helpful. Try to get to the point where you're almost not using the wall. So when practicing hand balance and you're not consistent with kicking up, I would spend a lot of time with the one leg and then two leg balance from the wall. So we get to focus really on finding the balance and being in balance instead of just finding the balance after the kick up. Because kicking up is difficult in itself. So I would really use the wall to just get a better feeling of the balance.
But that is it for this week, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, let us know that you enjoyed it. Right down below, you can also leave a comment and join the conversation. In the description box will be Ulrik's Instagram, which I highly recommend you go check out if you're into hand balancing and want to see what kind of suffering is needed to get to that level. But that has been it for this week, guys. Have a strong week and peace.